I'm so excited. I'm going to be sharing with you my 4th of July decor this year, and be sure to watch this whole video because in this video, I'm going to show you guys a beautiful and easy DIY patriotic wreath, some fun ways to make this holiday so magical for your little ones, as well as a full porch decorate with me, my favorite. So I'm also sharing more behind the scenes with my patriotic decor than I have ever shared before, so you will not want to miss it. So here are a couple things that I absolutely love. I bought these napkins with the fringe on Amazon as well as the dishes set. And the reason I love these dishes is because they're actually shatterproof and they're so elegant. I use these all the time, but I will link them for anybody who has kids but still likes to decorate. They are so awesome. But I'm not done with this table. I will finish that up in just a moment.
I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile.
I bought those picks at Walmart, and it's so easy to do this to any pre-existing wreath. Very inexpensive. And I'm also going to be decorating this little area on my oven with a tray, and this is also very inexpensive. Just get you some white flowers and pop a flag right in.
All alone with mixed emotions, yeah. Gotta keep my temper from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all.
I got these cute towels at Hobby Lobby this year, Home of the Brave and Friends, Family, and Freedom. I thought that was just so perfect for 4th of July and adds a little pop of color to my oven.
I'm undercover, wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while, just be human.
Okay, so this is what I got at Walmart. They are party sparklers. They're 4 cakes. And this is such a cute idea. I'm sorry about the background. My daughter's listening to music. But anyway, this is such a fun idea because you can put it on a cake for your kids or cupcakes or whatever you want, just to have something special for 4th of July. And so my kids are here with me, but I don't put them on camera, but they're really excited. So are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay, so we're fixing to light this. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So here we go.
Happy birthday, America.
Yay! What do you think about it? Is that cool?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay, baby boy.
Wow! Do you like it?
That's awesome.
Yay! So I told you guys I would be finishing off my table, and I found the perfect thing to do it. This beautiful gold set of silverware. I found it at Walmart, but you can get these on Amazon as well. And I just wanted to show you how beautiful the gold silverware looks on your table, especially with the blue and the red for 4th of July. I just think it looks like table jewelry to me. So I did have to Google and find the proper way to set out all these different pieces, but this is so lovely. And when we put the centerpiece, the cake with the beautiful sparkler back on, the kids were so excited. This is such a fun way to celebrate a quiet 4th of July at home with your family or even at just a party. So keep this in mind. These are so fun. So you really don't have to spend an arm and a leg to get some patriotic decor in your home. I just went online and I looked up patriotic free printable art, and I found this cute little vintage print. I thought it was very, very adorable, and I just put it in a frame. And then I'm adding in my kitchen lamp, my wallflower that I just recently got, and a few extra pieces to make this space in my kitchen feel warm and cozy. Now, until I can get to the store and pick up some of those red and blue cupcakes or cookies, I'm just gonna put these faux muffins in my cake stand, and I've used these for many years. They are super realistic and they even smell sweet. I'm also adding in these faux cherries, and the cherries look so real, y'all. Please tell your family not to eat them, but it really reminds me of that poem about George Washington cutting down his father's cherry tree. So you might want to look that cute little poem up and read it with your kids this 4th of July.
Never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her.
So I need to shout out my sweet friends Erin and Kingsley for getting me this cool candle. You get these at Barnes & Noble. They have the little refill, so once you burn it down, you can just pop a new one in. How cool is that? But I also bought this little flocked star from Walmart in the Patriotic section. And the more I looked at it, I thought this needs something else. So what do you guys think? Star or no star? Please let me know in the comments below.
This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet. Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight.
So for my mantle, I already have these beautiful ginger jars. So I'm just removing the lids and I'm adding in these absolutely gorgeous white cherry blossoms. I have no idea if those are actually white cherry blossoms, y'all. I just made that up. Did you believe me? If you know what kind of flower this is, please comment below. I would sure love your help on that. Regardless of what kind of flowers these are, they do add such a feminine touch, but I couldn't get my flags to sit the way that I wanted them to. So this is what I came up with. I just got a little bit of wire. You can get this at the craft store, Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to crisscross my flags and then just kind of tie the wire all around until they are secure. Then when I put them back in my ginger jars, they will magically look exactly the way that I want them to.
Please, don't cry for me, oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't know how much you mean to me, baby. I can't put it in words. You don't know how much you give to me, baby. You keep making me learn.
So I'm going to be using the most beautiful red flowers, these geraniums, and also these red poppies. Red poppies are a symbol of remembrance and sacrifice for veterans and those who have died in war. Poppies' origins as a symbol can be traced back to World War I, where they were seen growing in the soil of the battlefields. So I thought that was absolutely perfect to add into this arrangement here. And just to remember those who have truly sacrificed their lives for our country. We are so very thankful for anyone who has served in our armed forces, and just want to make sure you know how thankful we are for you.
I was roaming through the dark, baby.
Ooh, you keep making it shine. I'm in love with how you talk, baby. My ears craving the sound. Yeah.
Now, it would be really hard to think about our Independence Day without thinking about fireworks and that warm, cozy glow in the sky as we all sit around oohing and awing over those cozy lights. So I just thought I would add my own little light show in this log holder, but I love how this turned out. It's so beautiful.
You love me. Ooh, I honestly thought that you love me. So why would you make me go to stupid parties with your homies? When you know I'm way too shy to function right. When you know I'll probably mess up your night, baby. Oh, baby. Ooh, I really need for you to save me. 'Cause right now, everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along. Cheesy, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I don't wanna talk to anybody. I don't wanna know your hobby, so I'll wait down in the lobby, then head home. And I know.
So it is time for me to say a tearful goodbye to my beautiful spring basket of flowers on my front door. But I know that I do have a plan for this basket. I'm going to just take out the pinks and switch it out for some more of those red geraniums and of course the red poppies, just to add a lot of pretty texture and color. This is absolutely striking against that light gray door. What do you guys think? Isn't this the most easy wreath you have ever seen? I got the basket at Michael's, so if you want one, that's where you can find it. And then I'm just going to pop in a flag. Simple, easy, and gorgeous.
I can't live without you. Yeah. I can't, no, I can't live without you. Yeah. I was roaming through the dark, baby. Ooh, you keep making it shine. I'm in love with how you talk, baby. My ears craving the sound.
So this little area is where my husband and I love to sit and drink a cup of coffee in the evenings and listen to the frogs and all the sounds of nighttime. So I wanted to make this really special. So I just put a tablecloth over my little table and I'm adding in some very cute decor that I found at Big Lots. I'm also going to be popping in a couple more of those flags into the arrangement just to make it look a little bit more patriotic. And those pillows just had to go. I thought, let's add in some red and blue and just a few throw pillows to make this feel special.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you.
Now onto the rug. This has seen much better days and we've had a lot of rain. So I'm just going to sweep this area and it will eventually dry out, y'all, so it'll be okay. And I thought this little blue striped rug would be just perfect to add a little bit of color and fun to my front door.
We can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want.
So I've always wanted to try these patriotic buntings on my house, and so my husband hung those for me. But listen, I had to share with you the tiniest frog I've ever seen in my life. Y'all, this frog was as small as the end of a pencil eraser. Can you believe how creative and awesome God is? So I'm working right here on this flower box and this little tree. Look at here, little babies. Hi, sweetie. So cute.
So hey guys, look at this. So do you see her? She's working on it. So look how good she's doing. Wow. Look how good that is. Let's walk over here and let her say hi, okay? Mama, say hi.
Hi.
And don't forget to subscribe. So after this video is done, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe.
Pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Does that little boy deserve a trip to the toy store or what? He did such a good job, so I am so proud of him. But if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe and become a part of our YouTube family. I have a big goal, y'all. My goal is to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of September. So if you want to be a part of our original OG 1,000 subscribers, go ahead and click subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy 4th of July!